Hello everyone, myself Vijay Raghavan from Mechanical Department. We seven are here to talk about a group discussion topic, the life after COVID-19. First, myself Vijay Raghavan and Cholan, Satish, Yemant, Rahul, Saravanan and Sahasranamanathan. Now Cholan will start the discussion.
Uh, from the day of human evolution, we faced many crises. Uh, it caused many damages in the human population, such as polio and some other deadly diseases. Uh, but now we are facing a very dreadful disease called COVID-19. It started spreading in the Chinese boundaries, China, and spread to America, Russia, and other several countries. And now it's also creating many stressful changes in India also. We are trying to evolve in that, evolve to that situation, but we can't make that possible till now also. Mm, that's it.
As myself Hemant, and I want to say like that we seems to be living in an entirely different world where everybody seems to ice everything. Maybe with superstitious whether the imitation things that reach us or human beings themselves crossing our thresholds. Yes, the pandemic COVID-19 has all into the scheduled confirmed spaces of our homes. We have become more declined and these days. But it is the actual the idea way in which we are executed to continue to live in healthy life without socializing, finding time to do our things, listening and spending time with our families and taking care of ourselves. Can we say sort of self-certain? Initially, we were in sort of this relief shock of densile mode. It was difficult to further from how these modern times to virus which emerged in Wuhan could take a suddenly deadly turn, spreading to other parts of the world, causing a wide affliction even in developing European countries, US, etc.
I am Rahul. It is difficult to imagine that any one of us can return to what was the old normal. Shops and office were slowly limped back, putting up a brave front and expending all their energies to ensure that they are surviving somehow. The government has yet to share a blueprint for revival and recovery from the stricken economy. The reassuring noises have failed to comfort the most disturbed segment of population, the wide wage earners and those employed in unorganized sectors, landless farmers, and millions of migrants. No more packing in large crowds when we all have to have a personal bubble on over a meter. We have said goodbye to attending concerts, plays, movies, festivals, museum, etc. But hopefully they are able to return soon.
My name is Saravanan. My opinion is the way we work or the study has changed. Education, as we know, it has changed. Schools and university have moved online, some binding a face-to-face with online lectures. The university around the world are feeling to impact from the absence of international studies. The work has also changed due to the social distancing. So many have shifted to the working from the home to minimize traveling on public transport and gathering in a group of the office. The Zoom meeting even became our new normal.
Yeah. First of all, we cannot say it as life after COVID 19 because it's still continuing. We all know that. So we can say it as life after lockdown, maybe. So in this lockdown, I mean, people have changed a lot. Really, one main thing is people started spending time with their family very lot of time. So emotionally, the people became very strong. I mean, everyone understood the real. I mean, real. What to say? uh, real meaning of emotion and relationship, everything. So we all learned how family is very very important to us. So spending time with the family is really a major thing in this lockdown. We learned from this lockdown.
Yeah, myself, Vijay Raghavan. The small things that make up our community have changed due to COVID 19. No more sizzles at burning, no community sports, no lingering over the friends at the cave, and and saloons have closed due to pandemic. But after that after that lockdown release, it will be comfortable for us.
Myself, Nathan. As we know that this pandemic has changed many ways of people's lifestyle. So we need to connect it with them through some other way, either through phones or mails or something like that. We should be connected with some people. So social distancing doesn't mean that it is a social disconnecting. Social disconnecting means even if we feels easier to right until this is all over. So it is a new normal. You can stay connect with family and friends just in different ways. So it does not take a bit of creativity to do, which we can't do a lot of things that we can previously did. So if you are looking for different ways make social connect happens in our new normal, we have to do a great article here. So we have to stay connected in some of the pandemic situation through our friends, families, and relatives in through online or either through offline.
Before lockdown we will be having more works. Even now we are having more works, but comparatively we will be thinking that we have more work, I have tension, I'm really really need time to take rest, all the things we'll be thinking before that lockdown. So after the lockdown, I mean after this COVID-19, due to COVID-19, the lockdown is I mean the lockdown came to existence. So now we really understand that work is not a great thing to do, because we have already taken enough rest in this lockdown. So work is not really a big thing to do. Just spend few minutes, I mean some time to do the work, and after that you are going to enjoy your time, spend time with the family, and you can play like anything. What you have to do you can do. So that thing we learned from this lockdown. So that will be changed from the people's mind after this lockdown.
Um, what Nathan said is 100% true. Uh, but the COVID-19, to say true, it created an impact on everyone, from the children to the adolescents. If you take example for children, means they they evenly lost their 1 year of education and the school memories. And also, if you take college students, means also they mostly lost it. It is very important. The online course education is also not that much effective for the students to make their knowledge brighter. Mm, but we want to get on to that. The new life after COVID-19, we more and in the future also many crises like COVID-19 may happen. So we want to get ready. It is a lesson for us for the future. Mm, uh, Even for if you take industrial industries, means many industries have some machines which is shut down for many months. It causes a great effect of cost. So many people lost their jobs. In a recent seminar, you know, recent calculation says that over crores of people in India lost their jobs after COVID-19 pandemic. The only solution to get on through it is finding the vaccine. And that's it, guys.
As he said, my name is Hemant Kumar. This situation was indeed most painful for the poor, particularly the daily wages, and for the many standard guest workers having had to struggle to get home. Those families facing in the worth by the virus itself. A rising number of the depression cases and suicides are really alarming. Identically, the best way to cope up with this situation is to start counting the blessings and try to look at the situation from positive reactions, turning the crisis into the opportunities, taking up things which we love and always wanted to do. We on our parts can spread some cheers and positive energy by keeping to touch with our friends, relatives, and neighbors. Here in social media apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, blog, etc. are already playing a big role. Organizations and even families are already learning to do group chat, video call, and webinar using various platforms.
Hey, யாராவது பேசுங்க. கன்க்ளூட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க யாராவது ஒருத்தர் பேசி.
As Solan said, the most important point that millions of employees have lost a job in this pandemic situation. A job is the most important thing for people to survive, because without job they have no money to lead their life for the family. So millions of people have lost their jobs worldwide. So economies through the world has gone down through biggest issues. So salary cutoff become a new norm. So many of the people who goes to the job also not getting a proper or a full salary. The poor have become the poorer, and if you are more reporting on the mystery of middle class who financially struggle and frequently hide behind many of the situations. So the only thing to conclude or to bring this problem into one solution is to find a vaccination for COVID-19. So COVID-19, one of the fastly spreading virus all over the world. So we need to adopt or try to change a new norm for this life. So that's it for today's question.
As Nathan said, to conclude, the new world after Corona COVID-19 is to be more interesting, and many things have changed, including our day-to-day lives and way of speaking, communication, etc. So it will be very interesting for all human beings, but also it makes some pain for some other people. But we can't do anything. We want to cope up and go with it. That's the only way. Thank you, guys. We are going to wind up the session. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.